How's it going, guys? Probably one of the most important days in my mastermind career. Today is the massive link up with every single one of the families within Mastermind. What you have to understand is that during quarantine, it was very difficult for us all to meet up. Now that the rules have been eased a little bit, and obviously we still stay safe, still stay protected, the most important thing is understanding that Mastermind is more than just a business. Mastermind's a family. Mastermind's an area in which you can level up, not just in your personal life, but in your trading also. People ask us all the time, do we trade? We don't just talk about it, we do it. And you're about to see the results of every single thing that we've done so far. So follow us into Mastermind's BBQ Day Out.
You want job but you never work. Should not because myself I never talk. I look you, they laugh, you go.
Looking at everyone around, looking at the people that are coming, it's definitely a family and a team. And team, what's the acronym for team? Together everyone achieves more. And we're definitely
whether you like or not, go back to me, you best get it go pass. So yeah, keep me jack on. Anybody, when no one to surgery. Anybody, when no the carry body. I can't something, I can't something. To bata fele fele, I can't something. Money soon expected.
And I just want to let everyone know what Mastermind stands for. The coordination of knowledge and effort in the spirit of harmony between two or more people for the attainment of a definite purpose. So that's what I'm all about. And let's try and be people.
When not the carry body.
Mastermind ladies right now are doing big things.
To bata fele fele, na can't something.